borough did not defund the library. Basically, that was not an issue 2 months ago, 3 months ago. These good folks didn't have that on their agenda, neither did I. I was on the finance committee. And what happened was, is we were cutting things like Public Works, $50,000. We have a police department that is woefully understaffed. Chief, how many cops, to the 2017 report said we should have 8? How many full patrol? 8 patrol. How many full-time do we have now? 4. So we are woefully underfunded. So that was not a part of the agenda. But I have to say, because of some exaggerations, and because a teenager came to me and said, Mr. Jacobus, you should see how bad it is, I looked it up. And I started doing some reports. And I do not like having to take this to the library right now, because I don't like making people get blindsided. So I'm not going to ask you to respond to this report. If you want to get back to me in 30 days, I don't like doing that kind of blindside crap.